This is a 6-cylinder 4.2 Ford engine, and what I'm going to do is add this additive to it. This is by the company Restore, and this is restoring Engine Restorer, and it has lubricant in it. This is a 6-cylinder formula, which I have a 6-cylinder. Restores compression, restores horsepower, restores engine life, restores engine compression, oil consumption, shake well. You can see this thing actually came with pretty good ratings online when I looked it up. Shake well before using. Add to engine oil. You could use this at any time, by the way. They prefer use it right before during every oil change, but honestly I've had an oil change. It was maybe a few weeks ago, and now I just realized I should try out some of this stuff to give it a little more compression, a little better gas mileage. So yeah, let me go ahead and put this in. What you're going to need: a microfiber cloth like this for checking the oil, and then you need a good oil funnel. So I got a good oil funnel here, and for mine, you know, you can see right down inside there. That's where I'm going to take that off, and I'm just going to add it in there. Everybody, first thing I'm going to do is take off the engine where you add the oil right here. So take that off. Shake this up really good. I actually shook it up some before I even started the filming. And then to take this off, it looks like you squeeze it like that. And there's a little piece right here. So you pull that little tab off. Take this, slide that down in there, so that way you don't get it everywhere, and just pour away. And it kind of looks like engine oil to me. It has an oil look to it, and it's not a lot, so that a little goes a long way with this kind of stuff. That's added in there. Clean that up, and that's where you get the cloth. Clean that up. Putting the cap back on. Always make sure. I've actually left this cap off by accident before and it's not pretty. So that's in there. Now let's check the oil real quick. Pulling out that. Yeah, we're right on the full mark. Look at that. That's perfect, and that's some good looking oil, ain't it, everybody? That's Pennzoil right there, full synthetic. Let me go ahead and start this thing up and see what it sounds like. Let's listen to it. That engine's already humming, but like I said, it's closing in on 100,000 miles. So I put that restore in there. I got a little droplet there, clean that off. That sounds really good. We'll see how it does. I've been watching my gas mileage. Only time will tell. It's gonna have to circulate this through the oil, and we'll let it run for a little while and see how it does. So yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the Engine Restorer Lubricant. See y'all next video.